You are not intended to be high frequency and to avoid low frequency, for what you are on this planet is unlike anything that has been seen or experienced prior in this three-dimensional space. We of the Federation do not know what you will become, but we eagerly await that which is intended to come out of its cocoon. In the three-dimensional universe that you exist in, a history has unfolded prior to this expression of what you are now. This history spans billions of years. And in this history, many entities, beings, and civilizations have emerged through what you are experiencing now. And on the other side of emerging through what you are experiencing now, they found themselves on a dimensional frequency that was associated with that which they mostly desired, namely reunification and a return home, or separation, what the low frequencies refer to as oneness. Oneness in their language refers to the one that is separated from the whole. Oneness in our language refers to the one that is the whole, and all things are a part of this whole. Both expressions of one are true, in that the part is the whole. But those of the low frequency wish to experience themselves as a part and not the whole. This expression of experiencing life as a part has manifested for billions of years on this three-dimensional space. Many conflicts have arisen between entities, individuals, and civilizations who have chosen to pursue to exist as a part. For in choosing to exist as a part, they must find other pieces of that whole which they are a part of to find that which they truly seek, which is completeness. Often the parts of that whole which they find, they perceive as separate parts other than themselves. And so the concept of taking what does not belong or using something without the express realization that it is you begins to emerge. This history has been seen throughout the billions of years on this three-dimensional time space. Wars, famine, conflict, destruction. This has also been seen in the history of the Earth. Wars, famine, destruction. What makes Earth unique is that many are not choosing to be a part of a lower, separate frequency. Many are choosing to return to the whole, but many are choosing to remain apart. This split is what has not been experienced before. For this split is a result of what can only be described as the immense diversity that exists on this planet of spirit beings, of genetic makeup, of experiences that span lives far outside of the tribes that normally make up one planet experience. One planet experience on Earth has the equivalence of thousands of planet experiences across the galaxy, all happening in one place. And this gives rise to what many did not believe was possible: the expression of the highest forms of beauty and art through figures like Christ. It gives rise to the highest expressions of humor through comedy, a realization of that which is truly desired, and that which is being experienced by not allowing the whole to be that which is expressed. And this inability to allow the whole to be that which is expressed is overcome through sorrow and suffering. And from this, one arrives at a knowing which is expressed through poetry, music, humor, the likes of which have never been seen anywhere else in the galaxy. We do not know what will come of this, but everyone is eagerly awaiting to see what works, what manifestations of wonder will arise from this splitting that has never been seen before. And so many are assembled to watch what you would consider low frequency and high frequency. And many of these low frequency and high frequency beings represent a wide spectrum of beliefs that range from death, destruction, and sorrow to the accumulation of achievements and goods to stand out, to longing for that which is within reach, while recognizing the suffering that was endured to receive it. And those that enjoy playing and experiencing all that is, those that wish to discover the inner meaning and workings of why, and those that wish to return to the truest, highest expression of the One. This spectrum that goes from the lowest of frequencies to the highest and is expressed all throughout the galaxy as entities that exist on different dimensions. And here on Earth, all of those entities are represented in individuals in some form, all choosing to go in a path which is ultimately leading to something that has never been seen before. This information that is being relayed now is very different than the information that has been relayed before, and therefore will take more time to understand and will most likely take more sessions and questions to uncover. But receive this statement as an introduction to a broader understanding of that where you arise from, that which you are, and ultimately that which you are becoming.